Alright, so magkano nga ba ang pwede mo kitain working from home and working as an Etsy VA? Alright, si Malik kumikita ng $20 per hour, si Mishera kumikita ng $65 per hour, wow! And si Sir Toby kumikita ng $10 per hour, si Miss Anmol naman kumikita ng $12 per hour. So kung i-compute po natin yan, $12 times 58 times 160 hours per month po yan. Okay, 111,000 pesos ang pwede mong kitain working from home. Ang maganda pa po sa pagiging Etsy VAs, kokonti pa lang po nakakaalam pero ang lalaki po ng offer. Katulad na lang po ng job posting na ito kung saan naghahanap po sila ng SEO specialist to optimize their Etsy store. And ang offer po is $20 to $30 and ang proposal pa lang po is 5 to 10 na tao. Ibig sabihin, yan pa lang po yung nag-a-apply dito sa job posting na to. Okay? So tingnan natin ibang job posting. Kay Etsy and online store help, $8 to $12. Etsy listing and graphic designer, $5 to $15 per hour. Etsy listing creation and optimization, ang offer po is $5 to $11. And creative t-shirt design for Etsy store or shop, and ang offer po is $15 to $35. So let's say na-hire ka po for $15. So i-compute po natin kung magkano ang $15 per hour sa isang buwan. Okay, so $15 times 58 times 160 hours po yan. Nasa 139,000 pesos po ang pwede mong kitain. Alright, so yan po yung possible na pwede mong kitain working from home and working as an Etsy VA. Para po dun sa mga interesado, gumawa po ako ng course, and dito po sa ating course na Etsy VA Masterclass, matututunan mo po lahat ng skill and knowledge na kailangan mong matutunan para maging successful kang Etsy VA and kumita rin ng 100,000 o higit pa each and every month. Ang maganda po dito sa ating course, hindi mo po kailangan ng prior experience or prior knowledge. Basta marunong ka pong gumamit ng computer, matututunan mo po lahat ng ituturo ko po dito sa ating course. Alright, so ito naman po ang sinasabi ng ating mga student sa ating course. Ang sabi ni Miss Olive, I must say the course exceeded all my expectation. Sabi naman po ni Miss Mendoza, sobrang na-meet ng masterclass lahat ng ine-expect ng isang student. And sabi naman ni Sir Joshua, the course was really in-depth. Si Miss Claire naman, this course is excellent and very well explained with lots of activities that will truly train you to become a well-versed Etsy VA. Additionally, Sir Neil is very approachable, hands-on, and willing to share his knowledge and expertise. Ito naman sabi ni Miss Queenie, overall, I highly recommend this masterclass to anyone, and if you have the opportunity to learn from Coach Neil, consider yourself lucky. He's a gem in the world of teaching. Alright, so kung gusto mo pong matutunan kung paano kumita ng 100,000 o higit pa, working from home, isa ka pong parent and gusto mo ng mas magandang buhay, hindi lang para sa'yo, kundi para sa pamilya mo. Kung OFW ka po and ayaw mo na dyan sa abroad, gusto mo na umuwi sa Pilipinas, or single mom ka or single dad ka na naghahanap ka ng paraan para mabuhay ang mga anak mo, then i-click mo po yung message button dyan sa baba and mag-usap po tayo. Ituturo ko po sa'yo kung paano ka mag-start as soon as possible. Right? So again, this is Neil Puserio. Thank you so much for watching and God bless po sa ating lahat. See you soon.